just me and you. I feel so lost, 'cause I don't know what I'm gonna do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my life is so cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open my heart. Oh yes. My hopes and dreams are fading fast. I'm all burned out, and I don't think my strength is gonna last. So I'm crying out to you, Lord. I know that you're the only one who is able to pull me through. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems so cloudy. Lord, guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Oh yeah, yes I do. So show me how to do things your way. Don't let me make the same mistakes over and over again. Your will be done, and I'll be the one to make sure that it's carried out. And in me, I don't want any doubt. That's why I wanna talk to you, yes I do, and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems just a little bit cloudy. Lord, you can guide me through. That's why I open up my heart, yes. Just one word can make the difference in what I do, Lord. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Tell me what you want me to do, and I'll do it. Yeah. One word, yeah. And when you answer, sometimes that word is stay. Stay right where you are. Don't move to the left or the right, but stay in a place where I can talk to you. Sometimes you say pray. Our Father which art in heaven, hallowed be thy holy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Pray. Get down on your knees and pray. Pray until you get an answer, yeah. Pray until you get peace about your situation. pray, and then stay where you are, and then God can make a way. Oh, Lord, all I need to do is just hear a single word from you. Hear a single word from you. All I need to do is hear a word from you. All I need to do is hear one word from you. One word, 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 one word from you. One word from you. Just a word from you. All I need to do is hear a word from you. All I need to do is hear a word from you. All I need to do is hear a word from you. Oh, speak to me, Lord. That's why I open up my heart.
Well, the intent